we at the Keller Williams meet. Dude, this is people here. But Nashville keeps getting better, bro. Let me show y'all around. Diesel just pulled up with the R34s. It's pretty dope. Can't really get a good view. There's a lot of people over there. We fixing to head down. Helicopter just showed up. But we'll get some more footage tomorrow. Might be going to IA. I don't know yet. But until then. Alright guys, so I didn't end up going to IA, but we're going to a little after meet at the Flashback Arcade in Murfreesboro, so hopefully we see some cool stuff out there, but say hi to Blue!
Oh, you're all excited to be in the car meet, aren't you?
Alright guys, so I couldn't get the rest of the video. My GoPro died. I did end up getting the mic, but can't use the mic without the GoPro hooked up. So I guess I'll end the video here. Y'all saw those couple of clips from the meet. The 2 meets we went to over the past 2 days. It's Sunday now, so this is probably where I'm going to end the video. But thank you all for watching, and God bless.